What is up, guys? It is Lastings. Today we are going to be creating a stress testing application in Python. So what this is going to do is this is going to send UDP packets at a really fast rate using threads, and it is basically going to try in an attempt to take off your network/server. Now, this isn't going to be like the best way to do it. The best way to do it would be to like use this on multiple computers, but regardless, we're still gonna make this. Also, bit of a PSA: if any of you little script kiddie booters out there, booter wannabes, trying to use this software to hit off people, guess what? This is not what it's made for. And if I ever get hit off using this software, I will know, and I will take proper action against it. So yeah, I don't fuck around with booters, so yeah. But basically, let's get into building the code. So we're only going to need two things. We're going to need socket, and then we're going to need threads. That was supposed to be a capital T. What the fuck? Okay. So once we have that, we're gonna start by making our variables. So we need our host variable. Host variable is just gonna be an input. Nothing too special. It's just gonna be what is the IP address of the network / server you are testing /n, what the fuck, there. And then, of course, we're going to need our port. The default port's always going to be 80. If you want to go through the source code and change it, it'll be right up at the top. It'll be right there. You can just change it to whatever port you are trying to test. Okay, once we have that, we now need data, because we're going to send data to a socket. So what's going to be in our data is this is a stress test. Please do not take any further action. Okay, so far we have our host variable. You type in the IP address that you're trying to hit. Port is going to be 80. Data is, this is a stress test. Please do not take any further action. Now, like I said, do not hit off people on video games, on online video games, using this. Because if you do, people will take the proper action, including me. I can take proper action. But back onto the software. So now we're gonna make a function. So we'll just make it main because we only need one. We're gonna make it infinite loop. Okay, now we're gonna need to create our socket. I did not do that right. So yeah, we're gonna need to now create our socket. So socket dot socket and then a bracket shell curve. So now we're gonna do socket dot af underscore internet. And then we're gonna do socket dot sock underscore. That is supposed to be all caps datagram. Okay, and once we do that, we go all the way back here and we add our parenthesis. Like it should have done that the first time, but I'm slow. Sorry. And then we're gonna make it send data to the socket. So now we're gonna do data.encode. And then we're going to encode it in ASCII, so that way it is easy to read. Now we're going to send it to our host and port. So we're going to do the host IP address and the port address. Okay, so once we have that, we now need to create our threads. So for I in range, we'll do 200 threads. T equals thread target equals mean, and then t dot start. Control S, save. Now let's run our program and watch as it works. Testing.py. I am slow. Okay, so before we type in an IP address, we're gonna go over to console. We're gonna run our sniffer to prove that this works. That is my password. Okay, there we go. It cooperates at some point. Okay, so we're gonna type in an address on my local network. It's my grandpa's PC. And now, as you can see, all these UDP packets are being sent. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I showed you guys something new in Python today. Like I said before, do not use this for illegal activities. Do not use this for anything that will harm anyone. This is meant for purely to test networks and strengthen them. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and give me suggestions for further videos. And I'm out. Peace.